I might be just a cartoon, but these are actual written testimonials from real Sitka Seafood Market customers. Not only is the fish better than I could get at my local grocery store, after a few years of being a subscriber, my cholesterol is the best it's ever been. If you think you don't like fish, boy, you've never tried Sitka Seafood Market. We would never eat fish this often if we had to buy it at the grocery store. The taste is amazing and it's such a great health decision. I never bought fish because I'd heard that fish farms can be riddled with sea lice and other diseases. But then a friend told me about Sitka Seafood Market and how they fish responsibly and take care of the ocean. We've been subscribed for a year now and it's worth every penny. Once you try it, you'll never buy your fish anywhere else. Grocery store fish can be such a crapshoot. How long has it been frozen? What country did it come from? How long has it been sitting out there on the counter? It gives us peace of mind to know where the food we eat is actually coming from. I hated fish until a friend raved about Sitka Seafood Market. Now I eat it 2 or 3 times a week. The portions are big enough for me and my husband, and sometimes there's even some left over for the dog.